Harley-Davidson's 120th anniversary is happening this year, 2023. I wanted to do a video covering that 120-year history, but I just don't have the time. So I decided to take a new high-tech fandangled approach and ask ChatGPT to write me a script detailing the 120-year history of Harley-Davidson. This is what it had to say.
In 1903, two young men from Milwaukee, William S. Harley and Arthur Davidson, designed and built their first motorcycle. Little did they know that this would be the beginning of a company that would become an American icon. The first Harley-Davidson motorcycle was powered by a single-cylinder engine with a displacement of 116 cubic centimeters. It was a humble beginning, but it laid the foundation for what was to come. The company's reputation for quality and durability quickly spread, and by 1907, Harley-Davidson had sold over 150 motorcycles. Harley-Davidson soon became known for their racing success, and by the early 1910s, the company was producing over 3,000 motorcycles a year. During World War I, Harley-Davidson motorcycles were used by the U.S. Army, further cementing the company's reputation for reliability and toughness. In the 1920s, Harley-Davidson motorcycles became popular with police officers, as they were fast and reliable. The company also introduced their first V-twin engine in 1929, which became a hallmark of their motorcycles. In the 1930s, Harley-Davidson motorcycles became a symbol of American freedom and adventure. Groups of riders, known as Hells Angels, would often embark on cross-country trips on their Harley-Davidsons. During World War II, Harley-Davidson produced over 90,000 motorcycles for the U.S. military, further solidifying their reputation for toughness and reliability. In the 1950s and 60s, the baby boomer generation embraced the Harley-Davidson lifestyle. Motorcycle clubs, like the Hells Angels, became a symbol of rebellion, and the Harley-Davidson motorcycle became a symbol of the counterculture. In the 1970s and 80s, Harley-Davidson faced increased competition from Japanese motorcycle manufacturers. However, the company continued to produce high-quality motorcycles and even entered the racing world with their Harley-Davidson racing team. Today, Harley-Davidson is one of the most recognized brands in the world. Their motorcycles are still produced in the United States, and the company has a loyal following of riders who embrace the Harley-Davidson lifestyle.
So relatively pretty factual, but I wouldn't say it was very detailed. They left out a lot of things like those AMF years. Let me know down in the comments, did ChatGPT actually give me a detailed script? Or do you think I could have done a better job just on my own? I've been your host, Justin Bird. Thanks for watching.